In this short video, I will show you how I replaced the rotten foam on the back deck under the rear window on my Ford Focus. This is the rear deck already fixed. After I scraped off the old crumbling foam, I used some leftover black speaker grill mesh leftover from a previous speaker restoration project. I cut two strips out of it and then glue it at the back of the deck using some Gorilla Glue. This is one of the speaker grills I restored using that mesh. And that's the Gorilla Glue I used. Under the panel, there's a layer of sound dampening material glued to the metal. The panel slides back in place quite easily. There are 4 black plastic fasteners that will hold it in place. The speaker grill cloth has a nice pattern and it looks much better than empty holes. Thank you for watching.